So we arrived the Asus book. You can see the model here. It will be, you can test it. This one, notebook, Asus notebook. So that one had another problem, so we resolved it. Here the main capacitor that was shorted to ground, we removed it. Now it's charging, and let me just show you if it's turned on or not. As you can see, it's turning on. It's turned on. The fan is spinning, and you can see the board also. Here we remove the component. Thank you, Northridge Fix. I'll download it from you. There is no problem with display. Everything is working perfectly, but the battery is charging. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.